Have you tried everything and your orchid is still struggling, wilted, no roots, almost giving up? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to share a super simple trick that completely changed the game for my orchids. Let's dive in. My orchid was wilting from lack of water. Its leaves had turned yellow and limp. Step by step, and brought it back to life. The main ingredient we'll be using today is aloe vera. Sliced it out. Aloe vera isn't just great for your skin, it's amazing for orchids too. It's packed with vitamins like A, C, and E, plus minerals that help fight bacteria, soothe damaged roots, and promote healthy root growth. Next, we're going to use 3 rose flowers. Sounds unusual, right? But rose petals are full of antioxidants and vitamin C, which helps stimulate root growth and make your orchid healthier and shinier. Put the aloe vera and rose flowers into a blender. Pour 500 milliliters of water. Filter the solution through rails. We're going to mix 1 spoon of cinnamon with 500 milliliters of water. Cinnamon isn't just for cooking. It's like a miracle healer for orchids. It has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Soak it for 20 minutes. Stir the solution. Also, where are you tuning in from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And hey, if you're having any trouble with your orchids, don't hesitate to let me know. Let's learn, grow, and make our orchids thrive together. Mix it with the aloe vera and rose solution. Dilute the solution. with 1 liter of water. Soak the moss in diluted solution. Soaking it for a day. After soaking the moss for a day, let's squeeze out the excess water to make it nice and damp. Next, grab a clean cloth, dip it into the solution we just made, and gently wipe down each leaf. This helps remove any dust and lets the plant absorb nutrients more easily. Do you prefer big, showy orchid blooms or long-lasting flowers? Drop a 1 if you love big blooms or a 2 if you're all about longevity. I'd love to hear what you think so I can tailor the next video just for you. Now we're going to use a plastic cup. Cut the bottom of the cup. We will use pins to fix it. Next, we're going to put the soaked moss into this plastic cup gently though, so we don't crush it. This method helps keep the orchid stem moist and actually encourage new root growth too. Super simple, but really effective. Watering it. Hey, don't toss out the leftover solution. You can actually reuse it for your other plants like roses, succulents, or even your other orchids. It's packed with nutrients from aloe vera, rose petals, and cinnamon, which are great for boosting root growth and overall plant health. You can either spray it on the leaves and stems using a spray bottle, or dilute it and pour it directly into the soil around the base of the plant. That way, the nutrients soak in better and reach the roots more effectively. For best results, use it about twice a week. That's enough to nourish the plants without overwatering. And here we are. Just look at this amazing progress after 4 weeks. The roots are growing strong, healthy, and vibrant green. They're thick, firm, and anchoring well into the moss, which means the plant is absorbing nutrients really well. If you stay consistent with this care routine, your orchid will bounce back beautifully and reward you with gorgeous blooms soon. And that wraps up our orchid recovery journey after 4 weeks. I hope you found these tips helpful and inspiring for your own plant care. If you enjoyed this, drop a love it in the comments and share this video with fellow plant lovers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new orchid care tip. See you in the next video, and happy growing!